Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Marion, and to start today's video, we are making breakfast with my daughter, and today we are having tea. Well, I will have tea and the kids will have some drinking chocolate with toasted bread and a banana.
Forever we will go.
So I hope you will enjoy the video, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. I create home improvement or home management videos. So immediately after breakfast, my daughter did the few dishes that we had used, and this girl is becoming very useful around the house. I decided to take some green tea with lemon because I'm trying to lose some belly fat. So I hope this green tea will help.
World is turning, I'll be by your side.
So I want to start preparing our lunch, and today we are having fries with fried chicken. So I have the ingredients for making the fried chicken. So these are the spices that I'm going to use. So these are 2 cups of flour and eggs for coating. And on this side, I have the oil for the fries, and the other oil is for the chicken.
For you, I'll go out of my own way.
So I have mixed ginger powder, garam masala, paprika, and a pinch of salt with the flour. I marinated the chicken overnight with a pinch of salt and maziwa mala. And this is one of the easiest ways of making this KFC style chicken. What is this girl drinking?
Me,
Mm-hmm.
lemon water.
Lemon water.
Yeah.
Can I taste?
Could I take it? Try.
I don't know how. You liking it?
Yep.
How is it, Papa? It's bad. You didn't like it?
Mom,
Yep. What is this that you're watching, you people?
I think this channel is called GMZ.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give.
Okay, let me go back. Let me go back to the kitchen. Now I am going to dip the chicken in the flour mixture and dip it also in the egg mixture. Then take it back to the flour mixture to make sure it is well coated before frying. And I will repeat with the remaining pieces until I'm done. I'm going to cook in medium heat oil, and I will cook until they are well browned and crispy. So here is our lunch. Everything turned out well. The kids are really enjoying, and the food is quite yummy. No. Good boy. I did some little restock, and I got all this that you're seeing here. So I got some sausages, green grams, cooking oil, some indomie. I got sugar also. For some reason, my nearest supermarket didn't have any other type of sugar. Then I got some tomato sauce, juice, margarine, salt, and I got this dawat spaghetti. We've never eaten this. I don't know how they're gonna taste, but we will try. Then I got some cooking flour and some rice. I got this sunrise biryani, the yellow pack. We'll see how that will go. Then I got some serviettes. I got msafi. I've never used msafi before also. And I got some yogurt for my little ones. And this milk. And on this side, I have the things that I bought from the marketplace. So we washed and dried the vegetables, and my daughter is helping me arrange them in the fridge.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on
So much later in the day, we planted some flowers. And for some reason, my daughter loves wearing my shoes. I don't know why.
through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So yeah, we planted flowers. Everybody has their own plant, which they are responsible for. And I hope the flowers will do well. I'll keep you guys posted on this.
That's a big one.
This one?
Yeah, that's a lot of plant. God. And then you plant your own. You water your own plant. Right, Mom?
Right.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So here are our plants. I hope they will do well. So thank you so much guys for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you next time.
And we'll grow in number, fuel